All right. Currently losing, but I think we're gonna win this trade. 5 seconds. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna take it again though. Okay. Because I was supposed to enter right around this upper line here. So let's see how it performs. By the way, this is coming from the MT4 version of the script. So let me show you. It's, as you can see, we're currently on a sell trade. There you go. This was the trade here. So I entered late on the first entry, but luckily I won it. So this is my second entry now, and it's looking good. All right. Yes. So I think we've won this one. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. So let me show you another one. Okay. By the way, this is how my script looks now. Oh, I missed this. I missed this. Look at that. Err. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at that entry. Damn. Look at that entry. Okay, so let me show you something. This one here, Euro Pound, where was it? Let me show you again. Right here. Euro Pound. There we go. Sell Euro Pound. So that's the one that I took here, right? So I won that one. However, I missed this one. I just missed this one. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Whoa, beautiful trade. Anyways, let's see if I can get just one more trade. And I'll, yeah, man. You know, when you get an entry around the support and resistance levels, those are very good entries, right? Those are very good entries. So the support lines, support and resistance lines are already added onto the script. So the script is pretty much, you get both, by the way, the MC4 version as well as the IQ option version, right? So in fact, I think I'm going to take this one. Let's see if I can get a good entry. Okay, I think that's a good entry. The reason I'm taking this, okay, remember I told you I missed this entry here because I was looking at another pair. So the reason I'm taking it now is because we are around the same level where I got the signal. So the market should pretty much react about the same way as it did the last time. We'll just have to see, right? Then we're still on this resistance line here. This is the resistance line that comes with the script. So yeah, let's just see how it performs. All right. Okay. Currently losing, got about 30 seconds left. So let's see how it performs. I'm thinking, okay, so as I was explaining, these signals are pretty much the same. Well, not exactly the same, but they're around the same, right? The idea behind them is the same. So you get both the MT4 version as well as the IQ option when you buy the script, right? Okay, again, like I told you, this was a very good entry, but I missed it the last time, so I took it now, and we won the trade. So that's beautiful. Let's see if I can get just one more trade from let's see, let's do this instead. Okay, let me do this while I'm waiting for the signals. Here's what I'll do. Sorry. Okay, so this is how the script looks, by the way, right? So this is how it looks. So right now it's touching the resistance line. This looks like a good entry, but I don't know. Let's look at it on the MT4 one, and it's Euro USD. There's Euro USD. There you go. Okay, nope, we're not gonna take it. We're not gonna take it. We've already missed the entry. So I was supposed to take it around the resistance line here, right? Right where I was hesitating, I was supposed to enter here. Okay, okay, it seems like I'm gonna make this video very long, so maybe I'll just stop here. Look, that was a very good entry. So the resistance lines are very, very good, right? These are very, very good. So yeah, man. So when you get the scripts, you get so the script is like this. Let me show you. So everything you just saw was from the scripts, right? So this is the script. It comes with the support and resistance lines, as well as the Bollinger Band, the upper and Bollinger Band. Okay, there you go. There you go. But you can choose to remove some of the things here. Maybe let's remove the Bollinger Bands. Yeah, let's remove the Bollinger Bands just to keep things simple. Okay, cool stuff. Now we just have the entries as well as the support and resistance levels. So let me try and load other charts and see if we can get a nice trade. Just one last trade and then we'll see. Okay, yes, something happening here. Oh, I missed it already. But I'm going to see if if we can reach maybe somewhere above this resistance here, maybe somewhere around here. There we go. There you go. Push a bit more, a bit more, a bit more, a bit more. There you go. Okay, I'm in. I'm in. Okay, what I don't like about this trade is that AUD is on a very strong uptrend on the MT4. Let me show you. But then again, we're not really in it for a long time. Just a quick pullback and then that's it. So yeah, man. Let's see. Let's see. So this is AUD USD. I mean AUD CAD. Sorry. Okay, there you go. Okay, there we go. We're winning this. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Let's see what else. Let's see if I can get just one more so you guys can see. Look at that. So it's like the same thing, guys. So these support and resistance levels, if you get the signal, wait for the price to reach the levels, the support and resistance levels. So you get the signal, wait for the price to reach there, like just like what I did here, right? So look at that. Look at how beautiful it is, right? Look at it here. We missed this one because I've only just opened this pair, but the same thing happened. So we got the signal here, but if you were waiting for the price to reach the resistance level, you would have gotten a very, very good entry. So yeah, man, these are the trades. I'll just try one more. I'll just try one more, guys. Let me zoom out so I can see my trades. Let's see if we can get anything here. Maybe let's do 6 charts so that I can see what's happening, and the other charts as well. Okay, okay, maybe we might get something here. We've just hit the resistance level. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. We'll take it. The ideal situation here would have been to get the sell zone kind of entry signal, right? And not just take the resistance on its own, right? But it looks like a very good resistance level, so it's okay if we lose this one. I think we've done pretty well though. Even if we lose this one, I think we've been doing, let's see how we've been doing. Yeah, not that good, but not too bad either. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad.